I want to teach you today how to use your intuition. A lot of people feel like they're really disconnected from this part of themselves, and this is the simplest way that I know to explain this. So I want you to envision yourself going to this beautiful, tropical, secluded beach. Close your eyes and just feel with your heart space what that feels like for you. Generally, when we're aligned or connected to something and it makes us feel alive, we feel warmth around our heart. We might feel energy moving and flowing throughout our bodies. It might feel relaxing, like you can just take a deep breath and move forward. And then I want you to think about maybe a situation that was really toxic for you and maybe, just felt really dark. Close your eyes and feel what that feels like within. And most often, you should be able to notice this contraction feeling within your energy field. Your energy, your heart, everything wants to close and shut down because you are not open to that experience. It doesn't feel good. We need to get in touch with our feelings and connect that and use that as this amazing gift that it is to develop and use our intuition. Are you feeling expansive energy flowing, movement, wanting to move, connect with it? Or are you feeling this contraction, this stagnation, which creates trapped traumas and emotions and creates a whole host of issues in the body when we lock up and coil in on ourselves? So let me know if you found this helpful, if you find that this resonates for you, and share it with a friend because this is great for kids too. We need to teach our kids this. Trust yourself. So much of the world today is teaching everyone don't trust yourself, just do what you're told, sit down and shut up and do. We need to learn to connect back to our hearts and our emotions and feel. And I promise you, you're not going to die if you feel. It actually feels really, really good to feel. I spent 6 hours one night just feeling through all of these emotions. It felt like they needed to be felt. And I laughed at myself for so long. It felt so silly, but there were some I'm like, what? Why are you stuffing this? Because when we don't feel them and we stuff them down and we're in this contracted state, everything gets trapped and stuck. And then that causes density and we lose our vibration. It goes down. And the purpose of this ascension process is for us to elevate, raise our vibration, be able to process and flow with more energy and the energy of our heart and the earth and expand and send that out into the world. So I hope this helps. Have a great day.